I slay beats like a dragon, and I don't mean to be bragging. Spit graffiti mics, I'm tagging a radio flyer wagon that's full of comic books. I'm getting these dirty looks. It's probably cause I took your knights and pawns and rooks. Play chess with your mentality. If ever you battle me, each word out of my mouth, it feels like a fatality. Crowd to finish him. Bone said, damn it, Jim, I'm a doctor, not a seamstress. This clown, I cannot mend. He just got ripped apart. This rhyme tore out his heart. Cause stepping up to this kid on the mic just wasn't smart. Picked up the mic and rocked it. Verbal command is toxic, make you non-existent. Children, nobody, your name is Roxas. It's Kingdom Hearts, I'm exhaling this art. Rhyming hard enough to leave you lunar like Mario Kart. And I'm the one that beat you. My lyrics are lethal. Yours are like saran wrap, transparent, you see through. I got crazy mind conditioning. You go blind trying to see the things that I'm envisioning. These ain't lines, I'm living it. I'm seeing red like virtual boy screens. I'm dizzy, and when I step up to the mic, I'm putting this on my life. Every single line I cite is exactly how I write. Cause I'm already a pro with this. You moving way too slow with this. Wipe you out like the clone troops. You with the Geonosians. I spit flame like I swallowed the human torch, and even came up with this rhyme while sitting out on my porch like Ben Grimm. I'm fantastic. Line layouts is spastic. Ben mics and the pretzels made of metal and plastic. Fuck the good guys. I'd rather be a villain. I don't do this shit to make any friends. I'm hurting feelings, throwing the blue shell, sending you down to hell, and I'm smiling while I'm driving and waving like all is well. What?